Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about carrots, and I have some specific food and flavor combinations that will work well with carrots. So if you're looking for some new ideas, hopefully this will help you out. This list is very long, so this is part 2 in a 3-part series. Combine carrots with cilantro, ginger, scallions, and sesame oil. How about carrots with cinnamon, coconut, nuts of any type, and pineapples? Combine carrots with cinnamon, nutmeg, pineapples, and walnuts. Carrots with cinnamon, orange, and vanilla. Carrots with coconut, garlic, ginger, and lime juice. That's an interesting one. Carrots with cranberries, orange, and walnuts. Carrots with cumin, garlic, lemon, and parsley. Carrots with dates, sunflower seeds, and yogurt. Sounds good. Carrots with dill, lemon, and lentils. Carrots with fennel and garlic. And carrots with fruit and nuts. An example would be carrots with apples, oranges, pineapple, or raisins. And for the nuts, could be almonds, cashews, pecans, or walnuts. Well, this is the end of part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.